Looking for a kitchen upgrade that saves time, cuts down on oil, and delivers delicious meals with minimal effort? The Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven offers all that and more, letting you control cooking settings right from your smartphone or with simple voice commands. Imagine managing dinner while you focus on your day. No need to hover by the oven. What sets this appliance apart is its powerful convection function, which speeds up cooking and ensures even, crispy results every time. Whether you're roasting a whole rotisserie chicken or baking a fresh batch of cookies, the convection fan makes sure your food cooks thoroughly and beautifully. Plus, with up to 85% less oil than traditional frying, it's a healthier way to enjoy your favorite crispy dishes without sacrificing taste or texture. The versatility here is impressive. With 12 preset functions like toast, bagel, pizza, bake, roast, air fry, broil, cookies, rotisserie, dehydrate, ferment, and warm, you can skip the guesswork. Just select the setting that matches your meal, and the oven handles the temperature and timing. It's perfect for anyone who wants consistent results without fiddling with complicated controls. And if you're someone who loves experimenting in the kitchen, you'll appreciate the 100 original recipes and step-by-step videos available in the VSync app. Updated monthly, these recipes help you master everything from artisan breads to gourmet snacks, making it easier to try new dishes with confidence. One user shared how they baked their first loaf of bread with the oven. Simple instructions, great results, and a fresh slice toasted for breakfast the next day. This model's large 32-quart, 30-liter capacity means you can cook for 5 to 7 people at once. It fits a 13-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread, or a full rotisserie chicken with room to spare. That's plenty of space for family dinners or meal prepping without crowding your countertop. Plus, it connects to your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, so you can monitor and adjust cooking remotely through the VSync app, adding convenience and control to your routine. If you're ready to simplify your cooking while enjoying healthier, tastier meals, this Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is worth a look. It blends smart technology with practical features designed to fit your lifestyle and dietary needs. Whether you're baking bread for the first time or craving crispy air-fried favorites, it's a reliable kitchen partner that adapts to you. Try it when you're ready to transform how you cook at home. With its smart controls, multiple cooking modes, and large capacity, this oven is designed to make your life easier and your meals better. Explore the VSync app, pick your favorite recipe, and experience the difference that smart, healthier cooking can make.